Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Traveler. My name is Tressa, and in this video I would like to talk about breaking up your space, for your tiny house living, whether you are in your car or your SUV, a truck, a trailer, an RV, or your campsite, wherever you're living in a tiny space. You need to break up your space and designate 10 areas for your stuff. So, space number 1, set aside space for your kitchen. This space is going to take up most of your space. You're going to need space for your food. You're going to need space for water. You're going to need space for your cooking utensils. You're going to need space for your dishes and your pots and your pans. Set aside space for your kitchen. Set up your kitchen area. That's the most important, one of the most important things is set up your kitchen area correctly. Okay, so that's space number 1. Space number 2 is your bathroom. We need a pot to pee in. So you set up space for your bathroom. You set up space for bringing your shampoo and your towels and your baby wipes and your soap and your whatever you use for your combing your hair and your jewelry and whatever you need. You set aside space for your toiletry and your bathroom. So space number 3, set up space for your closet. We need space for our pants and our shirts and our undergarments and our socks. Whatever we tend to wear, make space for your closet. Designate a space in your, tiny space for your closet. That's tip number 3. Bring your hats and your coats and your gloves because it will get cold. Make space for that. Space number 4, make space for your bed and your bedding. You need a good, comfortable bed. That's the most important, one of the most important things besides your kitchen is you need a comfortable bed with your comfortable pillow and your sleeping bag and your lightweight blankets. Make sure that you bring comfortable bedding with you. Space number 5. Space number 5 is for your office space. You need space for your papers and your pens and your computers and your iPads and your phone. Make space specifically for your office. So, tiny house living, you've got to consolidate. So, tip number 6, let's talk trash. You need space for trash. Whether you have a bucket with a lid on it, tight lid, make space for your trash. This stuff takes up space. So that's tip number 6. And again, let's talk trash. Space number 7, dirty clothes. We have change clothes every couple days, so make space to put your clothes. When they're dirty, make sure that you have a breathable area that you can put your dirty clothes and space. So you're breaking up your space. Space number 8 is you need space for tools. Now, personally, I carry a wrench and pliers and screwdrivers and jumper cables and my duct tape and baling wire I can't live without. So whenever I have my space, I make sure that I have space for my tools. That's tip number 8. Tip number 9 is make sure that you have space for your hobbies and your crafts and your sport equipment and your sport gear. Set aside space designated for whatever you enjoy in life. Some people enjoy books, so bring your Bible, bring your ebook, whatever. Make space for your hobby. Be comfortable in life. And finally, make space for everything else. You know, if you have a dog, bring your dog food in your dog dish or whatever. Make space for all of your other stuff. So I like to break it down here. Here's my, you know, my vehicles in, you know, aisleways in the middle. You got your closet and your toilet and your, you know, your kitchen, and, you know, then you have your, you know, blah blah blah. So make space in your vehicle for 10 items. So to be comfortable. That's the most important thing in this life, is to be comfortable. So please like my channel and subscribe, and I'm going to be posting videos like this more often, and have a blessed day. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. I like to be liked.